You wake up in the morning with a strange feeling. You know you had a dream. It was vivid, emotional, maybe even terrifying, but within seconds, poof, it's gone. Vanished like it never existed, and you're left wondering, why can't I remember my dreams? Is my brain broken? Am I just not trying hard enough? The answer is far more fascinating than you think, and the good news is, it's not your fault. Your brain is actually designed to forget dreams, and once you understand the science, you can hack that system and start remembering your dreams every single night. Let's decode why your brain erases dreams and exactly how to fix it, starting tonight. The first thing you need to understand is that you dream every single night, whether you remember it or not. Most people have 4 to 6 dream cycles per night, mostly during REM sleep, which is that stage where your brain is almost as active as when you're awake. So why do you forget most of them? The answer lies in your brain's chemistry. During REM sleep, your brain shuts down a key chemical called norepinephrine. Norepinephrine is basically your brain's save button for memories. It helps encode experiences into long-term storage. But when you're dreaming, your norepinephrine levels drop to near zero. Your brain is literally incapable of forming new memories during REM sleep. That's why dreams feel so real in the moment, but evaporate seconds after you wake up. You're trying to remember something that your brain never saved in the first place. It's like taking a photo with no memory card. The image appears, but it's gone instantly. And here's another twist. Your brain also actively suppresses dreams during the transition to wakefulness. A region called the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for logical thinking, wakes up faster than the dream centers. So your rational brain essentially says, that wasn't real, ignore it, and deletes the dream file before you can grab it. So if your brain is working against you, how can you possibly remember your dreams? The answer is surprisingly simple, and it works for almost everyone. Here are 3 science-backed techniques that will dramatically improve your dream recall starting tonight. Number 1, set an intention before you sleep. This is called dream incubation. As you're falling asleep, tell yourself out loud, I will remember my dream when I wake up. It sounds silly, but studies show that this simple act increases dream recall by over 50%. Your brain listens to your intentions, especially right before sleep, when your brain waves are shifting into theta state. Number 2, wake up slowly. The moment you open your eyes, don't move, don't reach for your phone, and don't even think about your to-do list. Stay completely still and lie in the same position you woke up in. Your dream memories are stored in a fragile, short-term buffer that lasts only 90 seconds after waking. If you move or get distracted, that buffer clears. Instead, keep your eyes closed and ask yourself, what was I just experiencing? Let fragments come back. Even a single image, a color, or a feeling is enough. Then, and this is the most powerful step, keep a dream journal. Keep a notebook and pen right next to your bed. The instant you remember anything, write it down, even if it's just one word like ocean or flying. Over time, your brain learns that dream memories are important and it starts holding on to them longer. Within a week, you'll be remembering multiple dreams per night. And number 3, improve your sleep quality. You remember dreams best when you wake up naturally out of REM sleep. If you're using an alarm that jolts you awake, it's like smashing that fragile memory buffer with a hammer. Try a gentle alarm or a sunrise lamp that wakes you gradually. Also, avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol suppresses REM sleep, meaning fewer dreams and less recall. And get at least 7 hours of sleep. The longest REM cycles happen in the last 2 hours of sleep, so if you're cutting your night short, you're cutting off your most memorable dreams. Now, you might be wondering, why does this even matter? Why should you care about remembering your dreams? Because dreams are not random noise. They are a window into your subconscious, your unresolved emotions, your creative ideas, and even your problem-solving abilities. Some of the greatest scientific discoveries, from the structure of the benzene ring to the idea of Google, came from dreams. When you remember your dreams, you unlock a hidden part of your mind that can help you process stress, spark creativity, and understand yourself on a deeper level. So tonight, set that intention, wake up slowly, and keep that dream journal by your bed. Your dreams are waiting to be remembered, and now you know exactly how to catch them. If this video helped you, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell, because we're decoding the science of you one mystery at a time.